For registration desk, person will click on sign in and select I am a healthcare provider. After logging in, the dashboard will display today's appointments, options to create and verify Aabha, get appointments, and view or cancel appointments. To generate a token, click on the consultation token option. This will show a complete token work list. If the patient is new, the token will appear under new token, while for returning patients, it will be listed under follow-up token. After selecting the token, fill out the OPD billing form. If you need to edit the specialty type, you can do so here. Next, select the OPD fees type and click Submit to generate a bill. You will then need to view your OP slip and print it. If you want to see the generated token list, just click on Bill Token to view it. Users can also register at the registration desk through options like creating Aabha, verifying Aabha, using an Ayush ID, or scanning and sharing their information. For creating an Aabha, there are 3 methods available: Aadhaar OTP, Aadhaar demographic details, and biometric verification. In Aadhaar OTP, enter Aadhaar number and give consent. Then after click on verify to get OTP. When you receive an OTP and enter that OTP to create Aabha. After that you want to choose Aadhaar demographic details, just enter to details like Aadhaar card wise, click on create Aabha. After clicking you will show your details and just click register. Then after user can view their profile details, change communication number, print and download Aabha card and manage appointment at registration desk. If the user already has an Aabha, they will need to verify it using one of the following methods: mobile number, Aabha number, Aadhaar number, or Aabha address. When registering with an Ayush ID, if you have one, select yes; if not, select no. If you select yes, you will need to enter your Ayush ID. Your registered mobile number will be automatically fetched, and you can then click to receive an OTP. After receiving the OTP, enter it to verify your Ayush ID. Following this, you can book an appointment by selecting the system, department, state, district, hospital, visit date, and time slot. Finally, submit your appointment request and you will receive a token number. If you select no, you will need to fill in basic personal information and contact details to create a new Ayush ID. Once the Ayush ID is generated, set a password and book an appointment by choosing the system, department, state, district, hospital, visit date, and time slot. After submitting your appointment request, you will also receive a token number. Next is Aadhaar demographic details. Just enter your details like Aadhaar card base, click on create Aabha. After clicking you will show your details and just click register. Then after user can view their profile details, change communication number, print and download Aabha card and manage appointment at registration desk. To use the Aadhaar biometric method, first enter your Aadhaar number and mobile number. Then, click on Discover and proceed to the biometric process. The registration desk can view or cancel patient appointments by clicking on the View Cancel Appointment option, searching using the Aabha number, Aabha address, Ayush ID, or mobile number. After generating a token, the patient proceeds to the OPD.